Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I have such a fun video for you because we will be trying out the Turn Up the Base Full Beat Liquid Foundation from One Size Beauty. So if you've seen this all over your timeline, you're curious how it wears, how it looks, and how to use it, this is the video for you. So don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this gig. Girl, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Who loves this red chrome beautiful box from One Size Beauty? It's very on brand for them. You look at this box and you know exactly what you're getting. But I'm so much more excited for what's inside. Ooh, Miss Patrick Star, it's giving full beat. It's definitely giving full beat. The queen of full beat has entered the chat and she is here with her full beat liquid foundations. And you guys wanted options, honey. She gave you all the options. There is a skin shade for every skin color. So it's very hard for you to say that you won't find your color match. Guys, this is insane how beautiful. And you know she didn't leave anybody behind because she went for the golden, the neutrals, the rosies, the golden olives, the neutral golden, and the neutral rosy, honey. This full beat foundation says that it has 16 clean ingredients, weightless long wear, full coverage, soft matte finish, waterproof, and sweat proof. I mean, do you guys need more? Do you guys need more? I mean, if you do need more, here is the before and after of Miss Thing. I mean, can I get to living my One Size Beauty fantasy? Now, this foundation does retail for $44, and you do get 1 fluid ounce of product. It is encased in a glass container, and it's giving very much luxury. So now you have luxury and coverage. Sign me up. And guys, I have never seen a beauty sponge like this. This is the Turn Up the Base Infinity Beauty Sponge. It is designed with a unique alloy shape for infinite uses. Ultra soft ergonomic tool smoothly applies makeup and skincare from liquids to powders. Look at this shape. Isn't it beautiful? It is a little dirty because mama had to try it, of course. But One Size, girl, you have done it again. But enough is enough. Let's get to swatching. I will be starting off with medium 30 rosy. My second swatch is going to be medium 40 golden. And my last swatch is going to be the medium 50 golden. Now drop me in the comments which one you think matches my skin the most. Okay, I think I've decided. I'm gonna go in with the medium 40 golden for my entire face. I feel like that is the one that blends into my skin the easiest. Now, if you haven't been to my channel, first of all, welcome. But if you have, you know I like to try the foundation with a brush. I love applying it with a brush and seeing how it applies first. So I am going in with my dual fiber synthetic brush to go ahead and deposit the product, the pigment, and blend it out into the skin. You will notice that I do go in with a second, more softer, more wider synthetic brush, and that one I use more of a beauty tool, like a beauty sponge. I use that one to really go ahead and press whatever is on the skin in really nice and compact and get it nice and even. And you also will notice that I will pick up a little bit more product once that first layer is fully dry, and I will add it over the little areas that I want just a little bit more coverage. Guys, let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer to use a brush or do you prefer to use a sponge? Let me know in the comments. Brush girl or sponge girl? And for my blush, I'm gonna go into the Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio Girly Pop. I'm gonna start off with Choose Me, which is the cream out of the three. And after everything is nice and set, I will go in and dip into Love Me, which is this beautiful sparkly pink porosity over the same Choose Me that I laid down first. Miss Girl, you know I actually dipped into medium 30R for my highlight. I wanted to see how this works as a concealer. Went ahead and applied like a dream, and just blending that out. Be sure to take your time blending. You can never rush blending, especially creams and liquids. Okay, coverage. Y'all see the coverage going. You cannot tell me nothing. And before we set that eye, be sure to blend it out with your brush. And I'm grabbing no other than One Size Beauty translucent powder. Girls, if you haven't tried this translucent powder, you are totally missing out. It is very finely milled and very, very good product. You can tell how it is just setting my face beautifully. I have tried this powder many times before. This is not my first time. And please don't make fun of my faces while I set my face. Okay, final thoughts on this beautiful foundation. I mean, do I need to tell you? I am definitely going to be picking this up regularly. I love me a good full coverage, and this is amazing product. I just can't wait to use it again and again. But what I'm curious to know is that if you are going to try this, are you willing to try this foundation? Are you a full coverage girly? Let me know down in the comment section, girls. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have any makeup questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. Until the next slay, bye.